One of the most searched questions regarding YouTube is, can I use YouTube for my business? And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact answers and why you should consider it. If you're new here, my name is Anita. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners just like you get more visible. And I have to tell you that YouTube is the best thing I've ever done for my business. But in this video, we're going to talk about what that looks like to consider YouTube for you. If you like videos that help you grow your business, go ahead and hit the thumbs up down below. And I would love for you to subscribe. I'd like to be a cozy spot in your inbox where you can go for true help with your business. If you're considering using video at all, I want you to join my free Facebook group, a video marketing for entrepreneurs with FDS Creatives. And this video, I'm going to tell you whether or not you could use YouTube for your business. And the short answer is yes. Yes, you could use YouTube for your business. YouTube is a search engine platform, so it is going to allow you to position yourself via search so that other people, when they're looking for you, can find you. And yes, search is a good key part of YouTube and something to keep in mind. But we also know that YouTube's algorithm allows for videos to be pushed out to others when you create content on topics that they are interested in watching. YouTube will then suggest your video for others to view. So for instance, on this channel, I talk a lot about social media and video marketing and YouTube, and my videos get suggested when viewers are watching videos on those type of topics on other channels. So a really good thing for you to do is do a little research here on YouTube and figure out what are the channels that your ideal client would be watching. What kind of content is being created? And then think about the questions that you can answer and the things that are highly searched, and you start to have a good understanding of the type of content that might do well here on YouTube. YouTube is a great option if you are looking to grow a following or if you are looking to generate leads for sales. There are different strategies to grow each of these types of channels, and you can kind of implement some of both if you want to do both. It's really flexible in that way, but the key is that if you're going to use YouTube, you need to be consistent. So think about that when you're making the decision on whether or not you want to dive into YouTube. One more thing I'll tell you. In the last 5 years, I have gotten on calls with hundreds and hundreds of business owners. And when we talk about YouTube, the number one predominant thing I hear over and over and over again is that they wish that they had started sooner. YouTube is a long game strategy, and it's kind of like farming. You want to go ahead and plant and water and wait for the harvest. But I'll tell you, for my own business, this has been the best thing that I've ever done. Now, the most important thing that you do with YouTube is provide value. So if you have information that you can share about your business or the transformations that you make or how it is you serve others, you want to be sure to do that, because value is going to lead more than anything else here on YouTube. You don't have to worry if you don't have the fanciest production style. Remember that YouTube originally said that their slogan was broadcast yourself. And we find that on YouTube, people really relate to those they can relate to. So think about, what would your ideal client relate to? That can help influence how you show up on video. All right, if you want to dive a little bit deeper, I want you to watch the video I'm putting on the screen, which gives you 10 signs that YouTube might be right for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.